Well, if you like Fox bodies, here's the ever popular Notchback, the two-door sedan of Ford Mustangs from back in the Fox body days. Although this one has been modified a little bit since it rolled off the Ford dealer's showroom floor back in 1991. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. It has had 5-lug conversion done with Cobra disc brakes up front, as you can see. It's like polished 5-spoke torque thrust style wheels. You also are going to notice that cowl induction hood lurking underneath there. 351 Windsor. That's paired up with a T5 5-speed manual transmission. Power brakes. Take a look at that front fascia. Has had a repaint to this deep green, and it is a nice color on this car, no doubt about that. Gray cloth interior. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you another look at those wheels. And it kind of looks like an American Racing polished 5-spoke torque thrust with the Cobra center caps. Take a look down this passenger side. So a little bit of that drag feel to this car. A few things I'll point out as we go around. You'll see what I'm talking about. That 351 underneath the hood does have an EFI system on it. It's actually the Sniper EFI system. We will fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Note, side glass, rear glass is all tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. Does have full dual exhaust with the exception of cats, so there's no catalytic converters. You need to have those in your state or not. On-off battery switch located on the rear bumper. Like I said, it's kind of got that drag feel going for it. Over here, there's a few things that are going to go with this. Looks like we have some Velcro gaskets. Looks like it's got an 8.8 Ford rear diff in it. And then some of the receipts, or what would I say, packages, barcodes, type of stuff that was added to it, modified, the belts they're using, the Sniper information, just that type of stuff that will go along for information on the car. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com is where all the still pictures can be seen. If you like these Fox bodies, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like Mustangs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, one of our better selling models here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. As you can see, that paint shows well. You know, there might be a spot where there's just a small little nick or a touch-up or a small chip here or there, but overall, you can see that paint has a nice shine to it, reflection in it. Definitely be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. All right, when we get inside here, you're going to notice this center console has some customization done to it. That is a fuel pump, fan switch, and analog switch. So a fuel pump switch, fan switch, and analog switch on that center console, and we're going to use those when we start this thing up. It is electric fan up in front. That's where you got the switch. Brakes are 30% in the front, 80% in the rear. Slight seeps out of that 351 noted by the tech. Nothing out of the ordinary for a car that's driven. When we pop the hood open on this, you are going to see that Sniper EFI system I mentioned, as well as some shorty headers down in there, that aluminum radiator. Let's check out this interior closer. So door panels. There's power locks and power mirrors, or excuse me, power locks and power windows on this one. Cloth seats. Do have a little wear spot here or there in the seats, but nothing out of the ordinary for a car that is what? We're coming up on 35 years old. where does time go? Cruise control on the steering wheel as far as the controls go. Some aftermarket gauges, autometer, phantom gauges. So water temp, oil pressure, voltmeter, aftermarket stereo. I've had that working. There's your Sniper EFI controller. And then again, those switches. So we're going to go ahead, hit that fuel pump, let it run. Before we fire it up, we're going to let that Sniper system power up. All right. So water temp, see where that's at. We had it running a little bit ago, so as it come up, it has come up a little bit. Oil pressure, voltmeter, all working. Tach, shift light. Stereo working. Throttle response, great on this car. Door closes nicely, let's listen. Sounds good. Let me pop that hood. We're going to get that open. Let me pause this a second so we get the hood open. Check out this engine bay. And we'll have Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Looks like we have a Cervini's cowl induction hood. There you go. You can see it. Nice and shiny underneath there. And here it is, 351. Aluminum radiator, 2 electric fans, serpentine belt system. What is it, BBK, shorty headers, MSD ignition, it looks like over here is what we have, yep. Ready to roll. We don't see a lot of these notchbacks around here. 1991 Ford Mustang, 2-door sedan, if you will. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Over 100 pictures of this car online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving the 1991 Ford Mustang. Tuned up a little bit. We've got Holley Sniper EFI, which always makes them run better. Get that tuned right. Throttle response is crisper. You feel the power a little bit more. This is a 5-speed manual for the most fun. The blower motor works. The wipers work. Our turn signals are working. They've replaced a few of the original gauges with these aftermarket autometer gauges. Let's talk about those since I'm waiting for traffic. Water temperature 180, oil pressure is over 40. Alright, let's go. Broke loose a little bit because it's lots of fun. Let's get back to the gauges. The volts are charging about 13. The fuel gauge on the factory gauge is 3/4 of a tank full. Tachometer right here from SVO working as it should. Speedometer shows 55 miles character. A little more traffic to wait for. Cowl induction hood looking good. That nice glossy green paint goes well. Popular for the 90s actually, that green color. Corner is really flat because, as I said, it's ready to race. It's just very fun to keep pushing the throttle. What can I say? Take a look at all the pictures of this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.